cup ride. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Look at the
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y
Come on, got the trolley. And we are walking now. We go in. See how the place full already. But yeah, we're at Disney World Magic Kingdom. This is one of the parks, but the Magic Kingdom we are do today. We are going to do the other parks then, but not today though. The whole day. Today we are there at Magic Kingdom, so yep. Alright guys, Magic Kingdom, here we go! Ready? So right now the monorail I go bring we down to the park. Look like a spaceship, you can see it over there.
We're now passing Bay Tower at Disney's temporary
See, kiss us a while ago. Three of them are black kids. But yeah, we're here. Pass for the entrance. Let's go in and out. Alright guys, we are in. Let's come in the smell of food. I want that. Popcorn. Look like one short one, guys. We're late, but we're not too late. Almost at the castle. Getting closer. A little closer. And there it is. Ooh. You're going that way. Magic Kingdom Castle. Order from the mobile app. You track it, it show you when it order ready, and once you're ready, like the 3-bar light up and you come over like a stand 9 and then just get your order. So watch it. You need fish on you? Thank you.
Ask for a salad. To go back. Yeah. To go back. Thank you.
Come on. What? Fries nice. And up a cake. With
Well, I guess theoretically,
Up on the boat ride. And as you can see, we're in Island right now, and we are waiting. But so far, it's a good. Oh, I feel like I this. Wow, them are gonna do it though. Do remember if you check out some of the lives them how we do. Them already post, so check them out. This one I beat me bad out here. Space Mountain, let's go. Yep, it's gonna be crazy. Not too bad. It's a move, but then bend me up in a 9 and 10 and so. Oh well. You can do a wait, yeah, for hours. So guys, I've been nearly dead. God almighty Christ, but not go back on no more ride. No, that's a wrap. No, sir. Look at that had it the right people. Yeah. Watch here. Jeopardy and a bit normal. Am I the problem? Guys, I already did too much sugar. I'm not like fast. Some patrol. Alright, it's food time. Alright guys, that's it. That's a wrap. That is a wrap. Jesus. Wrap, guys.
everyone else, please remain where you are. Once again, please clear the stairways. You'll be given an all clear when it's safe to travel the stairs and go ashore. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las escaleras.